What's up, guys? Glad to have you back. So the MEC version 2.0 is already here, and to actually get up to speed, go to your Google Play Store and actually update the app. Okay, and once you update it, just log in with your email and password, and it will bring you right here to the new interface. Okay, so this is what the MEC app looks like right now. And I actually like the new look. Okay, and today we'll be looking at what is new right here, and what are the changes they've made right here, and what are the things we should be expecting in the MEC PASS airdrop in coming times. Okay, and also in the comment section I got this question which says, please show me how to buy or purchase the MEC token. Okay, now this is for people who want to actually stake in either the flexible term or in the fixed term right here, and I'll be explaining how you can also earn right here more, and also I'm going to actually show you how you can deposit MEC tokens right here. Okay, now remember the ME PASS airdrop. When I started talking about it, it was actually a refer to in airdrop, where if you actually invite your friend, you get 0.1 MEC token for free. Okay, and it is actually withdrawable, guys, if you're just hearing about this. And currently one MEC token is about 4.2 USDT right now at the time of making this video. And aside that, there are other opportunities of making money right here on the ME PASS app. Okay, now before we dive into this, I'd like you to please take your time to smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different ways I myself make money online. Okay, and actually share it on this channel so you don't miss out on any updates, on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop an update, you're going to be the first to see it. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's get started with this. So if you're just hearing about the Meta Earth free airdrop reward for the first time, all you need to do is to click the link in the description section below, and once you click on it, all you need to do is to sign up by putting your email address right here, put in a verification code that will be sent to that email. You create a login password and then you register. Okay, and once you register, you download the ME PASS app from your Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store, depending on the device you're using. Okay, once you do that, it will bring you right here to the app, and all you need to do is to actually click on this Me ID right here and actually complete your KYC. And on completing your KYC, you'll be given 1 MEC in your total staking right here, and also 0.01 MEC token for actually signing up right here. Okay, and after that, once you invite your friends also, you get 0.1 MEC token, which is currently about 0.4 USDT for each friend you actually invite. Okay, and also if you click on this my staking, remember you'll be giving 1 MEC token for free, so this will actually be generating more MEC tokens for you, and it will be staked for you right here by the ME PASS app. Okay, now other ways you can make money right here is by staking. Okay, now when I talked about the staking in my last video, I actually saw some funny comments. People are saying the APY for the flexible staking term, which is this 12%, 12.5%, is actually low. And I was like, do you guys see the staking terms in Bybit and Binance? Maybe we should head over to Bybit so that we can check out how many APY you'll be making if you're staking USDT there. This is the Bybit flexible savings. Okay, so if you're staking anything from 200 USDT and below, you'll be making 7% APR, that's annual percentage rate. And also if you're staking above 200 USDT, it's just 2% annual percentage rate. Okay, so this is saying that if you stake about 1000 USDT right here, in 1 year you'll be making about 70 USDT profit from it. That is in 1 year, guys. Okay, and this is actually very safe and very okay, because a lot of millionaires actually do this. They just come here to lock up their USDT right here in the flexible saving. Okay, and right here in the ME PASS app, you'll be giving 12.5% on your MEC stakings. And remember, 1 MEC token is currently about 4 USDT. So this basically means that if you stake about, let's say, 1000 MEC, this is just an illustration. Okay, that would be like 4000 USDT, right? You'll be getting about 125 MEC tokens back after 1 year. At the current time of making this video, 125 MEC tokens will give you about 500 USDT. I remember when I first talked about this particular airdrop, 1 MEC token was about 1.2 USDT thereabout, and within 6 months 1 MEC token is currently 4 USDT. So imagine the price of 1 MEC token in the next 6 months. The price is going to be a lot, and that's why some people are actually buying and staking and actually holding some MEC token. Okay, so if you want to actually stake your MEC token, we have the flexible term and we have the fixed term. So the one I just explained is the flexible term, okay? So it goes the same for the fixed term, but it comes with a higher reward, which is 25% APY. And in this particular fixed term, it means you select a number of days or duration that you're going to lock your MEC token, okay? Unlike the flexible term, you can actually come here to actually redeem your staked MEC token anytime you want. So in my last video, I staked about 8 MEC token in this, okay? So now if you're looking for legit staking platforms or legit ways to actually stake your USDT, they don't usually have a lot of annual percentage yield or annual percentage rate, okay? Because the higher the annual percentage rate or the higher the profit ratio, the higher the risk. That's why you find out that other staking websites that I might have talked about, I always tell you it's very risky because they have high percentage yield, and it means that one day it might actually stop, okay? But unlike this one, it won't stop because this is a blockchain and this is a whole crypto platform and it's a very legit one, okay? But before we look into how to deposit it, we're going to look at what's new in the version 2.0, okay? So the daily check-in is actually back right now, and to perform it, you click on the on-chain check-in right here, and right here there's actually a sign-in rule, and you can also see the reward for this. So the daily check-in reward is actually very low with what I see, because if you actually check in each day for a maximum of 30 days, you get about 0.003 MEC token. That's if you check in consecutively for 30 days, guys. Well, this is low currently, but we don't know the price of MEC token in a year to come. So if you want to do this, you can also try it out. It could actually worth a lot in nearest future, okay? So if you want to check in, you click on the dates, okay? Then you click on sign in today right here. So all you need to do is to actually fill in this sentence, all right? So this says maintain ecological, we have ecological balance to promote sustainability, okay? So you complete it this way and you click on this on-chain check-in and we'll confirm this. So the check-in is still pending. So this actually happens sometimes, but you could just leave it and try it again later, okay? So there's also NFT on the Meta airdrop, though it just got added as we've not gotten concrete information about the NFT yet, okay? And we've not got information like how to buy, the option is not yet out, or how to sell your NFTs here. And if we're going to be getting NFTs, okay, we're not getting NFTs. I just checked mine. Meta Air developers are still on it, okay? So right now, let's move into how to actually purchase MEC tokens real quick. So if you come right here to explore, so right here, we're going to click on the transaction, okay? We'll click to join and it's just going to load up this way. And then if you're coming to the Me transaction for the first time, you need to register, okay? And to actually register, you click on this go to register and you click on this register with Me Pass, okay? And then it will bring up some security verification this way. So once you actually register, the next thing you'll do is to actually sign in, okay? But then you first of all register. So I've already registered, so it will just log me in automatically, all right? So right here in the Me transaction is where you can buy and sell your MEC tokens, okay? And you can see right now, one MEC token is currently selling at 4.38 USDT, okay? And I've also talked about how you can actually use this for arbitrage a very long time ago. I'll also drop the video to that in the description section in case you want to check it out, okay? So we have the sell and we have the buy, okay? So if you're going to be buying, the price is actually a bit higher than the price you'll be selling, okay? And this is normal with P2P transactions. And also, if it's your first time in the Me transaction, if you click right here, you're going to see the personal center, okay? So you just need to fill in some information like your email address, you create a password, and you also manage your payment method, like you add your receiving address and your withdrawal address. After that, let's purchase MEC tokens, okay? So right here, let's say I want to purchase about 0.3 MEC token. To actually illustrate this, I'll click on this buy option right here, okay? Then right here, I want to put in the amount 0.3. So this is the amount of quantity this particular seller is willing to sell out, okay? So I'm going to be buying this from him and I'll pay 1.347 USDT for this, okay? So I'm going to select payment method. I want to send it to his Binance Smart Chain address. Okay, that's USDT. So I'm just going to confirm this. So once you fill in this, make sure you fill in correctly. And remember, this is when you want to purchase MEC token. For selling your MEC token, it's almost the same process, but it's different, okay? But you'll find my previous video in the description section below that actually explain how you can withdraw it very well. Now I'm answering this person's question on how to actually deposit MEC, okay? So I'm going to click on the confirm button here. So wait for this to load this way. So right now, I'm waiting for the seller to accept this order and he has 4 minutes to do so, okay? Our seller has accepted, okay? So we'll check in the chat box right here. So he wants us to send it to his Binance using this UID. So copy this right now and then notify him we're making payments now. All right, so right now we'll go to Binance to actually send to this UID, okay? If you're not using Binance to send, you can also let your seller know and tell him the exchange you want to use, and he can also provide the UID for it, okay? So right here, I'm sending 1.347 USDT to him, okay? So I've pasted his ID right here. So I'll click on the send button here. Click this verification. Oh, we've sent it to his ID, so I'm just going to screenshot this now. After that, we'll come here and click on I have paid, okay? And once you've confirmed payment, you can come here to the chat box, okay? And you also upload the screenshots you took earlier. And here we go. The seller has also confirmed that he has received it. So we'll just wait for this on-chain confirmation and order completed, okay? And we've successfully bought 0.3 MEC token. Now, where will this 0.3 MEC token land at? We'll come back to our ME app and we'll come to the asset, okay? So we'll refresh this and you can see that's been added here. If I scroll down and I click on this Me Hub right here, you can see the last transaction here received plus 0.3 MEC. Okay, so it's automatic, it will be deposited right here. And same goes for withdrawal. Once you withdraw your MEC tokens, it will be deducted from this place. Okay, so that is how you can actually deposit MEC token. And if you want to deposit more, you can do so right here in the Me transaction. Just go for a merchant that has a lot of quantity to actually sell to you, and you can buy from them. And if you want to sell the same thing, guys, so it is that easy and simple, just like your Bybit P2P. Okay, so that is it for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.